Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The products in front of you today are 55-inch digital standees, portrait mode with a 4K, true 4K HDR display. You can see the quality of the displays is very sharp, very bright. Any content which you upload on these standees will come out very sharp and true color. All of these are HDR 4K standees. If we talk about the features of these kiosks, all these kiosks come with inbuilt heavy duty speakers. If we talk about speakers, I'll show you the volume. So this is 100% volume. You can see the volume of this each individual standee is more than sufficient for a large room. A heavy duty sound is available, and all these kiosks come inbuilt with signage software. The content which you see playing on these are locally stored on this kiosk. Currently we have loaded offline digital signage software on this kiosk. So to change data for these digital standees, what you need to do is you need to attach USB pen drives here. You can attach here or here a USB pen drive, and automatically the system will detect the pen drive and start copying data from the pen drive, and you don't need to press any button or do any settings. Automatically the videos and the photos kept in your pen drive will upload to the standee. It has 32 GB inbuilt storage, so that all the videos and photos which you have on pen drive will automatically be saved on the inbuilt storage. Regarding connectivity, all these kiosks are powered by they have internet connectivity via LAN or Wi-Fi. We have external LAN port directly on the standee. You can see you can connect directly LAN port here, and this is the power switch, and this is power cable. And all these standees come with inbuilt Wi-Fi. So all of these standees have inbuilt Wi-Fi, and they also have inbuilt Bluetooth as well, and inbuilt heavy duty speakers. You can see the sharpness, true HDR 4K picture quality. At the bottom you can see a ticker scroller. You can customize that ticker scroller. You can change it, change the font color or font size or font text and font speed. In that way you can change the ticker, and you can also split the screens. Suppose all of these screens are showing a single content from top to bottom and one ticker, but you can split the screen into multiple parts if you want. That is also possible. Other than that, all these true 4K displays come with inbuilt toughened glass. So these are very strong toughened glass in front of the display. You cannot damage the display, and the frame itself is made of 1.6 mm mild steel, powder coated. You can see the powder coating finish is very smooth and blemishless. This is heavy duty metal frame. You cannot dent or damage this metal frame in transportation or handling, or taking it from one place to another. It is a very strong, completely 100% made in India digital standee. It is sleek and slim. You can see the border is hardly 2.5–3 inches, and it is uniform. It's completely uniform. This is not like Chinese built kiosk. I'll show you a Chinese built or a local made kiosk. Here they will show you 2-inch depth here, and they will add another 3 inches at the back side here. So they will fool you that their kiosk is slimmer than this kiosk. All our kiosks are very uniform. They have padlocks. You can deploy your padlock or lock here for safety purpose if you are installing in a public location. They have heavy base. This base is made of heavy metal, and all these standees are portable. You can, for example, I want to shift this standee. I can use my hand and shift it. All these standees come with heavy duty caster wheels. So single person can just take it along on a plain surface using the heavy duty wheels. If you want to fix the standee in a particular location, what you can do is you can lock. So once you lock, you will not be able to move this. Then you can unlock, and now you can move it. So that's it for digital 4K standees with true HDR picture. Thank you for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thank you.